Alright boys and girls, in this video I'll show you how you can avoid a copyright claim on YouTube. So here's what I do on my other channel, right? I do not close my editing software before I'm sure that the video has been checked and there are no copyright claims on it. So let's say you have some questionable footage, video footage, or a song which you're not sure if it's copyrighted or not. Here's what I do, right? I put my video as usual. This is a video which does not have any copyrighted material on it, but let's say I cut the song right here and I want to change it with an obviously copyrighted song, right? So we're going to render this as an example, maybe up to here, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. Okay, so what can we do if this option pops up, right? Well, the thing which you can do is obviously click the see details option, and then you can either trim out the segment, replace the song, or mute the song. Now, these are all options which will take a really long time, and there is no guarantee that they work, because it's still, I think, in beta testing, for at least YouTube has claimed to be in beta testing. So what you can do instead, and which is the optimal play here, is just going back to your editing software. That's why I told you not to close it out, and all you have to do is, obviously, you see here the content is from the 34th second until the 52nd second. So all you have to do is just trim out this content. In this case, it is a song which we've used, which we don't rightfully own. So just cut it, and you have to re-render this, and you upload it, and this time it will not have any copyright claims. So that is how you do it. Again, like I said, you could trim out the song, replace it, or mute it, but from my experience, this takes a really long time, and there is no guarantee that it's going to be successful. So that is what I do. I never close my editing software before I'm sure that my video has no copyright claims. So yeah, boys and girls, I hope it helped you out. Make sure you like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.